Therapy in session, therapy in session, therapy in session. I'm Q, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something totally different on the channel. We're going to do a product review. The company that reached out to me is Firmoo, and they deal with eyewear. So if you go to their website, which is behind me, this kind of a look at the website. They sell sunglasses, prescription glasses, and just regular old glasses. The glasses that I picked and I chose for this review is, I got the aviation glasses. We're gonna open the box. So when you open the box, the glasses come in a nice protective sleeve. And we're gonna pull them on out. So like I said before, the style of frames I picked are the aviator glasses. These are retro and old school. I was able to pick the frame out, and I was also able to pick out the lenses. Since I'm a fisherman, I decided to go with the polarized lenses. Outside activity, anything you do outside, polarized is key, is what you need. So these are the glasses I picked. Let's try them on. The first thing I noticed when I tried these glasses on were, they are super comfortable, and that's a plus for me. In the left-hand corner here, I'm actually going to put some footage of me outside fishing like I normally do, and you're going to kind of see a video of me fishing, doing what I do, and me also wearing the glasses. I wouldn't give this review if I did not try on the glasses. Not only I tried on the glasses, I caught some fish with these glasses, which is great. When you go to the website, you can choose your frames and your lenses. When you get to the checkout, I want you to put my promo code that I'm sharing with you all, and it's MHZE50. I'm gonna put the promo code right here, and with the promo code, you should be able to get 50% off of your frames at the checkout. So that'll definitely help out a lot. The glasses are very inexpensive glasses, yet they're stylish and they're trendy, and they will not break your pockets. But like I said, I definitely fish with these glasses. I enjoy these glasses, and these glasses will definitely be part of my arsenal when I'm out there fishing. So once again, go to firmoo.com. Make sure you pick out your glasses. Make sure you pick out your lenses. Make sure you put in the my promo code I'm giving you all, which is right here, and definitely buy you some stylish glasses. Before I go, back to school is starting. Kids need glasses. They got prescription lenses and glasses up there on the website, so definitely go up there and get you some glasses before school starts. Like I said, I'm Q, and this is Therapy in Session, and we did a promo code with Firmoo, and we out, baby. Peace.